welcome back to another video on the FIXBOND channel. Today, we're going to repair a DJI Air to remote controller. The issue with this drone remote is that it neither charges when plugged in nor powers on at all. After a thorough diagnosis, we tracked the problem down to a faulty charging IC. Without further ado, let's jump right into the repair process.